All right, these are the notes for H6-7, solving exponential and logarithmic equations. Our objective for this lesson was to evaluate log expressions without a calculator and to solve various types of exponential and logarithmic equations. Let's go ahead and get started here. Letter B. Given that log base 10 of 2 equals 0.30 and log base 10 of 3 equals 0.48, find the following without a calculator. All right, so these types of problems are designed to test our ability to use the product, the quotient, and the power properties of logs. Those are the ones we've just learned here. So what we're going to do is we need to expand on letter A. We need to expand log base 10 of 18 using expressions like log base 10 of 2, log base 10 of 3. So in other words, we need to figure out ways to multiply or divide 2's and 3's here to get 18. If you want to pause the video at any point here, try to work it out, that's totally fine. These ones are kind of like puzzles, so they're kind of fun for some people. Here's what I would do. If we look at log base 10 of 18, this could be rewritten as log base 10 of, you could either say 2 times 3 times 3, or some people may even choose to do log base 10 of 2 times 3 squared. Both of those would be just fine. Now using my product property, I can take this log base 10 of 2 times 3 times 3, and we can rewrite it here by expanding it out. I could say that this is the same as log base 10 of 2, and since I'm multiplying, I want to say plus log base 10 of 3 plus log base 10 of 3. Now you'll see those expressions listed above. We can take it and substitute the values in. Log base 10 of 2 really is the same thing as 0.30 plus the log base 10 of 3 is 0.48, and you'll see that we'll have 2 of those. All that we need to do now is add those 3 expressions together, and we should end up with about 1.26, I believe. Now that would have also worked over here. I'm just going to show you. If we had log base 10 of 2 times 3 squared, that could have been expanded out as log base 10 of 2 plus log base 10 of 3 squared. And then we could have used the power property to move that 2 down and do 2 times log base 10 of 3. And now we could substitute in what we need to. Log base 10 of 2 was 0.30 plus 2 times, and our log base 10 of 3 was 0.48. So I just wanted you to see that this will also end up giving you 1.26. Many of these have different ways that you can approach them. All right, looking at letter B now. We have log base 10 of 20/3. Now an added expression that you do know, there's a couple more with log base 10. We know that log base 10 of 10 should equal 1. Right? We know that from chapter 5. 10 to the first power equals 10. We could also conclude here that log base 10 of 1 should equal 0, because 10 to the power of 0 should equal 1. So that's just a couple additional ones that we have available to us. And that kind of helps us here with this one, because log base 10 of 20/3 could be rewritten as log base 10 of 10 times 2/3. And now if we use our properties, we could say this is like log base 10 of 10 plus log base 10 of 2 minus log base 10 of 3. Now we can substitute in the values that we know. Log base 10 of 10 is really equal to 1. Log base 10 of 2 we know is 0.30. And then we'd have minus log base 10 of 3, which is 0.48. So 1.3 minus 0.48, I believe, will leave us with 1 point, oh, not 1 point, it'd be 0.82. If you have questions, please mark them here. We'll go on to a couple more examples. Letter C, we're given the same two expressions here, log base 10 of 2 and log base 10 of 3, and the values they equal. Now sometimes you'll get these numbers like 5, like how do I multiply 2 and 3 to get 5 or something like that? Well, remember this time we can also still use the 10 again. I know that log base 10 of 5 could be rewritten as log base 10 of 10 divided by 2, because 5 is the same thing as 10 divided by 2. Now we can use the quotient property as log base 10 of 10 minus log base 10 of 2. We can substitute in the values again. Log base 10 of 10 is 1 minus log base 10 of 2 is 0.30. So our answer is going to end up being 0.70. Then letter D. With letter D, we've got log base 10 of 1 over the cube root of 2. So I'm going to try to get rid of that radical right off the bat. I'm going to have 1 over, and this would be the same thing as 2 to the 1/3 power. We could take that now here. I think it's been pretty popular today in class to take our 2 to the 1/3 power here, and let's move it to the numerator. If we move it up there, remember our exponent is going to become negative, but that is a possibility. So we have log of 2 to the negative 1/3 power. Now we can use the power property of logs. Let's take that exponent here and let's make it the coefficient. We have negative 1/3 times log of 2. Now log of 2 still hasn't changed, so this now equals negative 1/3 times 0.30, which when we take 1/3 and multiply it by 0.30, we should get negative 0.1. And that would be our solution there. Okay, so this is the first part of what you have on your homework assignment. If you're not understanding there, give it some time. If you have questions, please make sure you ask in class. I'm going to do the second part of the notes on a separate video. So stay tuned for that.